Out here in the city of Surrey, replacing a battery for this 2018 Dodge Journey. The customer called us. He said that the vehicle wouldn't start. He did try to start the battery and everything. He did already buy a new battery, so we have come out here only to replace it. So the thing with these vehicles is that the battery is located down. It's not in the engine. It's basically here in the wheel well. So as you can see, we have put up the vehicle on the jack. We'll be taking off the wheel first. Then we'll be taking off all these small nuts with a crowbar, and then once we take this off, the battery is out here. So then we are just going to directly swap the battery. What you need for this is a jack, you need a stool to sit on, you need a 19mm to take off the wheel, take off the tire, and then you just need a crowbar to take off those lug nuts, and then you can access the battery. So first we'll take off the... So we have finally taken off the rubber wheel volley out here. So it was fixed with these little nuts, which just once you put them in, they go in place. So there were like 5 of them out here. Now this is the battery. As you can see, there's a plug out here you need to unplug before you start taking off the terminals and everything. So here are the terminals, 10mm on either side out here, and then you need to take off the bracket. It holds the battery together and it will just come off, it will just slide out. So let's do that now. So the old battery is off, we did take it off. This is the new one which will be going in, and as you guys can see, it sits right here. This is the clamp which was holding it together. That's the switch I was talking about, and there's the positive and negative terminal which will directly go. Now we'll put the new battery in here, fix everything up, and our vehicle should be up and running. So guys, finally we have got the battery in. So we have connected both the terminals, the positive and the negative. We have put in the clamp. So it's a new battery the customer got from Canadian Tire. We have put it in. The vehicle does start. We did turn it on. It does start. We are just going to be fixing the clamp right now with this, which goes here and a small hole down there, and then we'll put this back. The wheel goes back up and we are done. So finally we are done with the job. We have put back the rubber covering, as you can see, with the nuts out here, and we have put up the wheel. We have torque wrenched it, we have removed the jack and everything. The vehicle is good to go. Again, this is a 2018 Dodge Grand Journey, and we did it right at the customer's location out here in Surrey. So please do call us if you need any battery replacement services, diagnosis, starting system check, alternator, brakes, starter motor, pre-purchase inspections done, and we'll just do it right off the seller's location or the dealership. Thank you.